Once upon a time, in a realm of sparkling rivers and towering castles, there lived a kind-hearted girl named Cinderella. While many know the tale of Cinderella and her glass slipper, few have heard of her adventures beyond the royal ball, in a land known as the Lost Kingdom of Dreams. One cool autumn morning, as golden leaves danced through the air, Cinderella received a mysterious letter. It was sealed with a shimmering leaf in red. "Dear Princess, your help is needed in the Lost Kingdom of Dreams. Only you can mend its woes and restore its magic." Intrigued, Cinderella decided to venture forth. With a gentle kiss to her prince, she set off on a journey accompanied by her fairy godmother and a small, merry band of talking animals from the enchanted forest. There was Oliver Owl, always wise and full of stories, and Flutter Fairy, as bright and shimmering as a tiny shooting star. The journey led them through a woodland path where every step they took was accompanied by the sound of soft melodies emanating from the whispering trees. As they approached the hidden portal to the Lost Kingdom, the air itself seemed to shimmer with magic. Upon crossing into the kingdom, a sight of extraordinary wonder met their eyes. Castles floated gently among clouds, gardens bloomed with colors never seen before, and stars danced in broad daylight. However, a soft mist lingered, a sign of sadness that clung to the enchanted kingdom. Cinderella soon discovered that the kingdom's joy had been locked away by an ancient spell when its Heart of Dreams gemstone went missing. Without the gemstone, laughter was seldom heard and the colors, once vivid, had started to fade. Together, they devised a plan. The wise Oliver led them to the Cave of the Wind, where the whispers suggested the gemstone might be kept. The Flutter Fairy, with her luminous glow, led Cinderella through the dark maze within the cave. Finally, they reached the Hall of Echoes, a place where the past whispered its secrets. There, clear as the morning dew, they discovered the Heart of Dreams, cradled in the roots of a grand ancient tree. With the gemstone in hand, Cinderella, with a heart full of hope and courage, placed it back on the kingdom's heart altar. A gentle light unfurled like a sunrise, warming the kingdom. Gardens blossomed anew, and joyous laughter filled the air. Stars twinkled brighter, and the floating castles cast luminous reflections over the realm. The Lost Kingdom of Dreams had been reborn, and its magic was stronger than ever, thanks to Cinderella and her friends. Before returning home, the kingdom's queen gifted Cinderella an evergreen crown, symbolizing hope and the endless strength found in kindness. And so, Cinderella returned to her palace, carrying not just a crown, but a heart brimming with the magic of dreams. From that day on, the tales of Cinderella's kindness spread far and wide, teaching everyone that with courage and compassion, even lost worlds can find their way back to light. The end. Please like and subscribe our channel for more stories. Thanks for watching.